I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today the leaves start to fall in our Autumn Nights Mystery Quilt Along. Download the fabric requirements and the free falling leaf block patterns at Fat Quarter Shop. Links are in the description box. The fabrics you need for week 2 are 3 prints that are black and 1 background. We are using the Agatha Road collection by Fig Tree & Company for Moda Fabrics. We also have a free cross-stitch pattern that coordinates with the Autumn Nights Mystery Quilt Along. A link is in the description box. After you've gathered your supplies, let's get sewing. To start the falling leaf blocks, you're going to start with half square triangles, which are super easy. You're going to take a fabric A and a fabric E, put those right sides together, and you're going to draw a line from corner to corner. Then from there, you're going to stitch a 1/4 inch away from the center. And here we're showing you this in red thread just so you can see what it looks like. Then you're going to cut this in half, and that gives you 2 half square triangles. You're going to press that, and this is what it looks like. We press this open. It's totally up to you on how you want to press it. And we made these a little bit bigger so you can trim them down. So you just put a Creative Grids 2.5 inch square ruler on top of that, making sure you have fabric on all of the sides, and then just trim. And if you want to use triangle paper, you can use 2-inch finished triangles on a roll triangle paper. And what you're going to be making is 4 half square triangles for each block, meaning you're going to have 12 total. Now each of your leaves will need a stem, so we're going to make that using fabric F and fabric C squares. You're going to take your dark fabric and on the top right, put a fabric C square stitched directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away and press. Then you're going to add the other fabric to the bottom left, stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away and press. And this time you're going to be making one of these units from each print. Now this is such a beginner block. You're just going to take the 4 half square triangles you made and your stem unit. You want to make sure your half square triangles are facing inward, 3 fabric F squares and a fabric B square. And make sure everything is lined up correctly. You're going to sew these 3 together, press, these 3 together, press. Once you have 3 rows, you will sew those 3 rows together. So this is your leaf unit. You're going to add a fabric D to the right, and on the bottom you're going to do a combination of fabric D and fabric G, sew those together, and then you'll sew the top and the bottom together. Now for week 2, you have made 3 falling leaf blocks that are unfinished at 7.5 inches square. That completes week 2 of our Autumn Nights Mystery Quilt Along. Let me know if you prefer these free quilt alongs that are more beginner friendly or more advanced. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.